Hi, I'm Stacy with WTI. If you're looking for a kitchen tool that really simplifies your home routine, you got to check out these silicone egg rings. These are from GAGAQI, and I really love using them. They really truly change and make my morning routine a lot easier. Thanks to these silicone rings, I've been making eggs so easily. First of all, even after cooking in the pan, the rings never feel hot to the touch, so you can easily pick them up and not worry about making a mess. When you're actually cooking with them, they make perfect egg rings. So whether you're using them for scrambled or for fried or for poached, you simply pick that silicone ring right out of the pan and you have no remnants of egg on the silicone rings. They're super easy to clean as well, and you can store them easily because the handle folds down and you can easily place these in your cabinet or in a drawer with no problem. I love things that make my routine easier, especially when it comes to breakfast, because it's challenging for me to get everything ready in the morning. But truly, these silicone rings are awesome. I would recommend them to anyone, and I love using them in my daily routine. And that's my point of view.